empowering you to open new paths. Opening paths means overcoming obstacles, finding easier and more prosperous ways to improve your life experiences. First, let's separate your mind from each problem and solution. We'll remove mental confusion, distortion, and exaggeration that make everything seem dire, dangerous, and beyond your control. Let's erase the mind's tendency to generalize in all aspects of your life. We'll remove the belief that lacking money means everything's wrong or that illness equals failure. We'll erase the idea that one rejection means no one will ever love you. We delete this completely, 100% of the time for eternity. We'll also remove the power of always, never, everything and nothing from your problems and sufferings. Let's strengthen you to remember everything's temporary. Pleasant and unpleasant things are both fleeting. We'll erase the energy from all the times you've said, thought, or felt that you can't, that you're not progressing, that you don't understand or know, and especially when you've concluded that you're not in control of your life, your experiences, and your time. Let's erase the belief in an external power that controls your destiny, writes your experiences, and keeps you in constant misfortune and difficulty. We'll remove the false idea that your paths are blocked. We'll also clear out exaggeration, magnification, intensification, and distortion of these perceived blockages. We'll erase the overemphasis on every stagnation and limiting belief. We separate your mind from your projects, desires, goals, objectives, and needs, and send it to other universes, existences, dimensions, time and space. Dark matter and energy, black holes and wormholes in the universe and other unknown realms. Let's strengthen your midline. We erase lower brain weakness and its effects. We clear the disconnect between lower and upper brain. The disconnect with Earth, Earth with you. Your disconnect from the universe and it from you. We erase all to 0 minus infinity, 100% in finite time. We boost the link between your physical intelligence and the universe's physical intelligence, the universe's with yours, your physical intelligence with Earth's and Earth's with yours. Everything top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back and forth, forth and back, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time in finite time. We send the mind and spirit to other universes, dimensions, dark matter, black holes, and unknown realms beyond space and time. We'll remove dead energy, spiritual bonds, demons, and curses that have hindered your progress, path, prosperity, and health. We erase all traces and impressions of these, including any resistance to their removal or your own reluctance to let go. We send it all to other universes, dimensions, dark matter, black holes, and unknown places beyond space and time. We'll erase karma from closing others' paths, directly or indirectly, along with all accumulated effects. We eliminate the distorted thinking that makes you feel stuck when you're actually moving forward. We also remove what slows you down, hides results, or doesn't match your desired pace of progress. Let's strengthen your energy to be powerful, to travel at, above, and below light speed. We erase all weaknesses it causes you. the fast, the slow, to zero, minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Let's strengthen your mind to generate thoughts of progress, achievement, triumph, success, and perseverance. Strong enough to jump, dodge, and overcome both physical and mental obstacles. We'll strengthen your 6 fundamental pillars. Strengthen your time management, purposeful career, finances, relationships, physical fitness, and health. 100% potential infinitely, 100% of the time for eternity. We'll eliminate weaknesses, reset to zero, and balance these 6 pillars to be centered, stable, and aligned. Will clear blockages and stagnation from your mind and external energies in each pillar, both in process and outcome. To zero, minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Let's erase the built-up effect of all the time you've spent thinking, feeling, and saying you can't, you're not progressing, not achieving, not finding, not succeeding, and not being capable. Will remove the draining energy of others' pressure because you don't meet their expectations. Will clear emotions, sensations, and reactions from you to you and others to you. Will erase despair, exhaustion, frustration, anger, and confusion. Will remove soul pain, soul's plea, soul's fear of not advancing, not progressing, not evolving. Will erase fear of the future to zero, minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Will remove non-physical traumas, unconscious loyalties, empathy with pain, suffering, poverty, lack, limitation, and illness. To zero, minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. I'll separate you from the collective that doesn't advance, achieve, can't do, or feel capable. I align you with those who have achievements, success, perseverance, discipline, and good habits. Everything is centered, balanced, and stable at 100% with limitless potential. This applies 100% of the time for all eternity. I'll separate each family member's weaknesses, blocks, and negative experiences. We erase this completely, infinitely, for all time. I align you with them with you, and them with each other in all ways. Everyone becomes centered, balanced, and stable. Will strengthen your core, power, endurance, speed, agility, and flexibility. Every particle, atom, and cell releases old grudges, fears, and pains. We strengthen your central nervous system, connecting it to every part of your micro and macro body, and these parts back to your CNS in all possible combinations. Will erase negative energies from any dimension, level, or form that are stagnating or blocking you, sending them to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, dark energy, black holes, and unknown corners of the universe. Will separate the crown, third eye, throat, heart, solar plexus, sacral, and root chakras. We strengthen these chakras to be optimally open, clean, properly spinning, balanced, centered, stable, unfiltered, free from external influences, and without hidden soul parts. 100% potential, infinitely, 100% of the time, with infinite time. We strengthen your etheric, emotional, mental, astral, ethereal, celestial, and causal bodies. We enhance your physical, mental, and spiritual intelligence. Strong to be same, not same, change, no change, different, not different. Perception, not perception. Strong enough to admit, recognize, and remove blocks, stagnation, and negativity. Strengthen your physical awareness to clear all that hinders, limits, delays, or blocks your progress. Let's erase all traces, remnants, and impressions of this. To 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We strengthen response, action, and results. We enhance feeling, perceiving, intuiting for clarity on paths. Strong, so this happens quickly, not quick, slow, not slow, neutral. We erase the built-up effect of stagnant block time. We strengthen inner, outer dynamics, limits, and angles of these geometries. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate body, mind, and spirit. All right, how do you feel? Same or different?